Man, y'all check this out. Looks like we in the Amazon jungle right now. Don't get no prettier than this on a creek. We finally made it. Me and my brother hiked about probably a mile up in here toting kayaks and all our fishing stuff. We was trying to be the first ones out here, but about 4 people have already beat us, but we still gonna wear them out. This is what it's looking like. We're gonna kayak out and fish all around that rough water. Should be a good day. See what we can do.
Look at that snake out there. Get that on video.
Where?
Crossing right there. Zoom in. Right where I was throwing this.
Can't even see him.
It's right there.
Oh yeah, I see him now. Dang snake crossing the water. Dang. Let's launch the boats and see what we can do. My bad, I'm drifting to you. Oh yeah. Dude, this rat looks good. Throwing a rat, y'all. Check it out. We're gonna fish for some stripe with a rat. He's swimming for his life, Taylor. Let's get a good, solid couple throws here. They're in here. They stay till August.
Oh, I know they're in here.
But yeah, the majority. Hell, me and you was about here 2 weeks ago. They're in that water. They just ain't biting. Look at that, look at that. Oh, this stick, look like a fish. Now that we got our top water on, oh my God, look. Yeah, look, I got it on video. Oh my gosh.
Bald eagle.
Dude.
He's submerged.
Look at him. That ain't an eagle though.
Yeah, it's got a white head.
What the hell? Taylor, we're sitting right here fishing and it looked like a bald eagle just freaking dove as hard as he could in the water and caught a fish. That was probably the coolest thing that's gonna happen today. Dang, y'all. That was cool. He got his lunch, didn't he? You know what that was, don't you? Big shad. You see how silver it was? Oh my God. Wherever he was, that's where the bait's at. Yep. Hey, fish on. Fish on the rat, y'all. Fish on the rat. Yeah. Oh yeah. Fish on the rat. Not a big one, but a good one. Heck yeah, y'all. Guess things are gonna heat up now. Heck yeah, y'all. Right after we seen that bird catch that fish. Nice little creek bass. There we go. Let's get the release on it. They like the rat. Taylor, before we leave, let's throw out right here. Hey, Taylor, they're right here, they're right here. Giant just blowed up. Oh my God, when a shad just flew by me like 50 miles an hour. Two giants just blew up on it up in there. Right there. Biggin. What was you saying? You want to go down and then back up? Ah, my bad. They're up in that. Dang, that thing looks good, don't it?
What thing is that?
Man, we just sitting here hanging out and fish started blowing up all right here behind us, trying to eat bait fish. My brother's throwing out a whopper plopper, seeing if he can get him to bite. Was that again? Sink a little bit, don't it? I know.
We used to come with my dad, best friend, Steve, and Elvin, and Scotty, and we would come waiting like y'all.
This is our first time bringing a kayak up here.
Yeah. Anywhere the water was still, we thought there was good.
Heck yeah.
All the way up. Yeah. Yeah, weightless. Any color. shit saying because they were trying. Hey, what's going on?
Damn right.
They went back in there, too.
Good luck.
See, brother? Ah, y'all. It's kind of rough. I think it will be okay, though. Hit it full speed ahead, y'all. Hey, Taylor. Damn alligator guard. Taylor's coming down. Oh shit, you're out of a rock. Yeah. That was fun. Hey, let's hit right up in there. And we can throw out in that calm stuff if you want to. That was fun right there. Can't we go through that little bitty hole to the right? Dude, this is sick. These little kayaks don't really take you. Like, you can control it, can't you? Oh shit. Man, this is fun. The next one after this is the waterfall.
This better
Terrifying.
right?
Something big. About flipped, y'all. I say the very far right will be the smoothest. Probably but at 10:30. Alright, I'll tell it. Cut left, cut left, cut left. Paddle, paddle, paddle.
Oh no, they're coming down. Go right, go right.
I'm telling you, it's a jam drop off. Oh shit! Water went everywhere. Where's it at? I'm soaking. I'm just as wet. My whole kite's got water. Hello. About to be leaving the shows. We're not gonna be able to go to the birthday party. These fish are right here. I'm gonna show y'all how quick we can catch one. Look at this beast. Oh, now we're gonna let her go. Gone.